All right, guys, those were the top 5 ways to prevent gang stalking. Number 3 was my favorite. Comment down below what your favorite was, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. All right, you got it?
Yeah.
All right, nice. It is so cold right now. So, you hear that? Do you hear that? Oh my God, come on. Come on.
Say my name.
Among. Come on. All right, get up. Let's go. There's nowhere to go. But I think I can slow him down. There's no way to stop that thing. I gotta think. Think. What's the one thing that can stop that monster? I've got it. If we play the xylophone, I'm sure the tune that we play will send the monster back to where he came from. All right. Inner peace. He's coming.
Open Gangnam Style.
Yes, we did it. Yes. High five. Yes. Let's go. What's on your shoe? What is that? I guess the monster was the friends we made along the way.